In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a CD key on Steam. If you need to locate a game key for activation, linking, or accessing content tied to an older title, Steam can sometimes display it directly inside the app. The process is quick, but it does depend on whether that specific game actually uses a CD key, since many newer games no longer do. To get started, open Steam and head to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Once you're in the library, find the game you want to check. Make sure you select the correct title, especially if you have multiple editions or similar game names in your account. Next, right-click the game. This will open a context menu with several options related to that title. From there, move your cursor to Manage, and then look for the option that says CD Keys or View CD Key. The wording can vary slightly depending on the game, but it should be similar. If the game includes a key, Steam will display it in a pop-up window. In that window, you'll usually see the full CD key exactly as provided for that game. If you need it for another platform, account connection, or installation step, this is the key you'll want to use. Be careful when copying it and avoid sharing it publicly, since game keys are sensitive and can sometimes only be used in limited ways. If you don't see a CD keys option, don't worry. That usually just means the game doesn't provide one through the standard menu. Many newer Steam games don't use CD keys at all, so this is very common. In some cases, the key is only shown the first time you launch the game. If that happens, Steam or the game itself may reveal the code in a launch window before the game opens. It's also worth checking the game's manual, support notes, or any launch-related pop-ups if the menu option isn't available. Some older titles store their key information there instead of inside the right-click menu. So if you're not seeing it immediately, that doesn't always mean the key doesn't exist. It may just be displayed in a different place. And that's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, choose Manage, and check for CD keys or View CD key. If it's supported, Steam will show it to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.